All right, what's up guys? So today I want to show you how to install LED headlights on the new Honda Odyssey 2018, and it should be pretty close to the 2019-2020 models, if not exactly identical, since that hasn't changed much. So when I bought this vehicle, it came with stock just halogen bulbs. They were kind of yellow, so I wanted to do an upgrade on the bulbs and give it a LED look, just so it looks cleaner, more modern, and a little bit more efficient. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like and how quick and easy and pretty affordable it is to get a LED headlights. All right, this is the brand that I ended up going with, SEALIGHT. So this is the exact bulb that I have that I'm using. So it's, there's the LED. So it also has like a heat sink here just to keep them nice and cool. But surprisingly, these are very bright and very beautiful once installed. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, so install is pretty simple. So if you open your hood, and here on the right, this is the passenger side. You'll see this here, and that's where the original bulb is. So all you got to do is unplug this here and plug this guy into it. First, you want to remove the old bulb and put the new one in. So I'm going to do that now. Yeah, just kind of eyeball it. So that top one is a little thicker. So find where that is on the actual headlight housing, and then just line it up and put it in, and then wiggle it in. All right, so as you can see, I have it installed. So it's ready to go. And all you got to do now is plug this into the original headlight clamp here. All right, so I plugged it in, and optionally, if you want, you can glue this somewhere to the metal or one of the plastics so it doesn't jump around too much. I'm gonna skip that part and just kind of pry it against something just so it kind of stays in one place. But I believe it comes with double-sided tape, which you can use. I just know in the past, tape that I use, it kind of just melts off over time. Right, so this is what it looks like installed. It's beautiful. It's got this nice LED glow. It's very bright. It's I think these are the 5,000 or 6,000. I'd say they're more of a natural white, but they look really good and definitely improves the look of the car. Other side as well. But just so you know, it's a little bit harder to get to down there. So what I did was I removed this here, just pull it off, and it comes right off. And that way you have something to work with, because it's a little bit down there. It's hard to reach. But you basically repeat the same process here on the driver's side, and you're good to go. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. It's beautiful, blue, really bright. Very affordable. I think I paid about $40 or $50 for these headlights. And I also bought fog lights. I changed the bulbs on these as well. Just gave it a little blue just to match it. A little more of a natural light versus the yellowy halogen. And it looks really good. So to install these, you would just have to kind of come back out here in the back end and pop these out, unscrew these, and then you'll get access to the fog light housing. Guys, well, this is it. Thanks for tuning in and watching, and hope you guys learned something today. And this is, this could be applied to any car, not just the Odyssey. So kind of a similar concept. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.